pattern. So what's a flag pattern? A flag pattern in technical analysis is a price chart characterized by a sharp counter trend deflect succeeding a short-lived trend deflect pole. At first, let's understand this text part. Let's try to understand at least. Then I'll be showing in chart how does a flag pattern looks like. Okay. At first, let's go through the text part. I know these are boring, but yeah, these are essential too. Anyways, flag patterns are accompanied by representative volume indicators as well as price action. Flag patterns signify trend reversal or breakouts after a period of consolidation. Hopefully you remember the word consolidation. Remember I told you the market moves from high volatility to low volatility. So it's kinda when market takes rest, and after that market boom goes up or down again. Usually market after a flag pattern, usually under usual circumstances market goes up, but market is full of surprises, so it may go down also. Anyways, let's try to find out how does a flag pattern looks like. So this is a flag chart pattern, and see, just imagine this part as a pole. Okay, this part as a pole. So every flag pattern has an imaginary pole, and after that a period of consolidation. If you can see, the market had a good volatility here, this portion, and after that market went into a consolidation phase, a bit towards the downside, but market was not going down, it was consolidating, and after that see boom, market went up again. So what you should be doing here whenever you spot a flag pattern, just draw a line like this and like this, one below and one down, and after that if the market breaches this particular point, you should enter here. So this will be the perfect entry when market gives you a perfect breakout. Again see, this is our imaginary flagpole, and after that market went down, market consolidated, took rest, we drew a line here and a line here, and boom, see, market made a big green candle, big engulfing candle, also called as Marubozu. This one is a Marubozu. This green candle has engulfed this small red candle, and see, this is the entry point here. And just look at the movement, boom, and see, after giving this nice beautiful breakout, again market consolidated here, and after a little consolidation market went up again. So this is also an excellent entry point. So this is how you need to spot a flag pattern to earn big in the market. Again see, market going up here, we have drawn an imaginary flag pole, and this is a flag, this is a flag pole, and when market breach this particular line or the upper line of the flag, market see went up and up. So this is how you need to spot flag pattern and execute a trade accordingly. And if the market breaks this line, then you need to short the market, and if the market breaks this line, you need to go long. That's it. This is the same flag pattern again. Market was going up, market consolidated and went up again. This is the perfect entry point. This is the inverse flag pattern. Suppose market is going down or market is in downtrend. Then also you can spot a flag pattern. Again, imagine this candles as a flagpole, and see, after a big movement, market will consolidate. Market will have to consolidate, is not it? So after this big giant move, market consolidated, and this became our flag. And we need to draw two lines here. And whenever market will break this line, we will enter here by shorting the market. And easily you can have a big profit till here or anywhere you like. And if the market would have break this line, then we would have go for a long trade. But here in this example, we have seen that after a big giant move, market consolidated, where it made a flag. After that, it went down again. So this is how you can spot an inverse flag pattern. You just need to train your eyes by going through the charts to identify flag patterns. If you're a beginner, then it will take a couple of days to spot patterns like this, but usually after experience you'll become a pro. Again, see, after this big giant downward movement, market consolidated, it all formed a flag kind of pattern, and after that when it broke the line, it gave the perfect entry to short the market. You could have easily short the market here, and just look at the profit you could have made by shorting the market. This is the imaginary flag pole. So this is how a flag pattern looks like, and I know it will take few days to spot flag patterns for you if you are a beginner, but once you can master the chart patterns and all, like the false chart pattern and the volatility contraction pattern and the coming 2-3 patterns that I'll be sharing in the next lesson, you can become a pro, or you can become a master trader. You just need to practice hard. That's it. If you practice hard, then nobody can stop you from becoming a professional trader. Thank you so much.